Hello, everyone. Welcome to Good Times Media Group's official YouTube page. I'm Josh, the owner of Good Times Media Group, and today I will be teaching you how to host your website for free and get a free domain for it. As you can see, I made a very simple web page that we're going to use as an example. It just says these are fish. It's got some fish that repeat. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make an account on Freenom. I'm already signed in, so let's get the process started. Let's get a domain. So we use this for some of our websites. Let's call this These Are Fish for this example. Don't mind the noise in the background. Checking the availability. Let's try that again. Hold on. There we go. Takes some time sometimes, especially with my slow internet connection. So as you can see, you have .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, and .gq. These are all free domains, and you can get them up to 12 months. Plus, you can renew them for free as well, 2 weeks before they expire. But for this example, I think we're going to get them for either 3 months or 1 month. We'll get to that when we get to that. So we're going to do with the old standby, the CF domain. We're going to get it now. Remember, you need to create an account with them first and, verify your email and stuff. And they will never ask for credit card information, which is great. This is truly free. So we're going to do this. We're going to get, for this example, you know what? Heck, let's just go with the 12 months. I'll put it in the description so people can check out the website that we made for the demo example. Okay, so we're going to continue. So we've got these are fish.cf, $0. We're going to complete order and make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. Complete order. Oh, we were under verify that you were human. Please try again. Oh, that's always a good sign. Let's try that again. Complete order. Sometimes you have these problems. There we go. Order confirmation. We got that. Click here to go to your client area. That happens sometimes, like I said, especially with my internet and stuff. So bear with me here. Now that we got that domain, now we need to go to the free hosting part. Now we're going to something called netlify. You're going to definitely want to create an account with them. I already have an account, so now let's take this. Let's just put this over here. You won't be able to see what I'm doing, I'm pretty sure, since I am doing this off camera, or off the, what's it called, the screen recorder. So now I'm uploading my website. Okay. Just lock publishing to this deploy. Stop auto publishing. I always do that. Okay. So now you're going to want to go ahead, and if you go ahead and check this out, you'll be able to see that it's hosting on a subdomain. But first, very first and foremost, let's change the name. So I'm going to call this demo site save. Demo site 7777. Yeah, that works. Actually, let's just do this. Let's just go. Yeah, there we go. That works. So now if we go to this garble of letters, but it's fine. This isn't what we're using. We're going to actually put a domain on this. So let's now close out of this. And let's go back into site overview, into domain settings now. So now we're going to want to add a custom domain. First, let's go back into our domains on Freenom. Let's go into these are fish. Note to self, I really shouldn't try to make a video without wearing my glasses. That would always help. Let's go ahead and let's copy this. Now let's add the custom domain here. I figured since we do this for a lot of our domains that we would share it with everyone. Okay. So now, well, that's doing that. Let's go into here. Management tools. Click on name servers. Use custom named servers. So now that we're in here, you'll notice it's saying check DNS configuration. You're going to want to go into setup netlify DNS. Now we're going to want to add this domain to netlify and verify. Yes, add domain. Continue. And so we're going to use these. Ooh, that's not spooky. All sixes. It doesn't matter. If you're superstitious, I suppose you could try to get different domains. Different name servers. But it really doesn't matter. For this example, we're just, like I said, for this example, we're just putting up the demo website, and I'm showing you step by step how to do this. But yeah, they'll never ask for your credit card information, and you can only renew it 2 weeks before it expires. But the fact that you can renew it for free is excellent. Like I said, if you're trying to host websites, and even if it's just a simple web page, then this is what you want to do. I believe CF stands for the Central Republic of Africa, but I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, I believe they're country level domains or top level, whatever. I'm totally botching what they're called, but that's not important. What's important is how they work. So we're going to change the name servers to that. Keep in mind that sometimes Freenom goes down for no reason. Your website should stay fine, but a lot of times Freenom will go down. Okay, did I click that? Come on. Oh yeah, it's doing its thing. Cool. Okay. So now that we've got that, we're gonna go here. Oh, and with netlify, you will get an HTTPS certificate. So you will, you get that. So that always works. Talking in circles. Okay. So I'm gonna come back when this is all set up, because from when you first set it up, it can take up to a few hours, sometimes a little bit longer, for it to work. So when that is all set up, then I will go ahead and jump to the future. A little bit of time has passed. I have not been keeping time, so I do not know how long, but now our website that we just put up, thesearefish.cf, is now functioning properly, as you can see. So I'll be leaving a link to the website we used is for the demo, the link to Freenom, and the link to netlify down in the description. If you have any questions, do leave your questions down in the comments below. I'll try to help you the best I can. And thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up and hosting a free website with a free domain. Thank you, everyone. Y'all have a very, very nice night or nice day.